Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang slash burping mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang slash burping eating show. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to your girl, y'all. All right. Whew. I feel winded. Out of breath. How you want to say it. But y'all, for the last few days, I wasn't feeling too hot. So, you know, I'm getting better though. Getting better. But y'all remember I was telling y'all about the winter spice cranberry Sprite that I found. I really like that. Well, I found it back. Limited edition. And it's back at Joel's. So I said, ooh, I have to do this for my babies. Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. I have to do it for my babies. You know, I got to chug this mother and see what we got going on. Heck yeah. So let's get it started. Ooh, y'all love to chug and burp. Skip all that uncommand and all that other stuff. I just love to chug and listen to the sounds that I get from the chugging. It's wonderful. I love it. So that's why you see me, I do a lot of chugging, because I actually do like the chugging. All right, cheers. What y'all chugging with me? Make sure, I want to see y'all comments. Come on. Need to comment, y'all. Ooh wee. What y'all chugging? I need y'all to chug along. Come on. Ooh, I did not even make a dent in that soda. Ooh, and it's trying to come. I don't know. I tried it the first time and I really loved it. That was a good one. Like I was saying, I tried it the first time and I really loved it. I mean, you could taste whatever kind of spice you do taste it in there. It's really good. I like it. I don't know. We all have different taste buds. I can't chug in no minute or two. Oh, that was a good one. A really good one. This is so good. I mean, when I tell you taste all the flavors up in here, you do. You always get one hill back. It is like, this is a pleasure to drink. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's really. Your breath smell like it. I know, right? You smell the flavors of this thing. You smell the spice. Because I swear that spice, whatever kind of spice that is pungent. The cranberry, I don't know, it's kind of lost in the sauce, but it's good. Ooh. Y'all, please don't forget that I do have a Patreon, brand new. Now, all those questions that you be asking, get over to Patreon. Ask me those questions. I will do personalized videos. So, I mean, go to the Patreon, y'all. Go over there. Now go on over there. I just had a thought to do some on command, and I'm like, oh no, I ain't doing no on command tonight. That's dead on arrival. I'm drinking this Sprite because this Sprite is, I'm enjoying this Sprite. So, yeah.
Drink your Sprite.
I am. I ain't in no daggone rush. The hell, don't nobody rush me.
That's why you keep repeating yourself.
I don't care. Just don't rush me. Ooh-wee. I'm getting full. This is lockdown soda. If I ever finished one of these, anybody can tell me? I did? What video?
This is when you first started working.
Really? What soda was I drinking? Oh, wow. I didn't even know that. I didn't remember that. Ooh. Y'all got, I'm gonna have to put a microphone like right down on my gut or something, because I swear you can hear the sounds that's coming out of there. It's crazy. That's it. I did drink a lot. Look at that. I did drink a lot. It's screaming. Oh. Oh. Hold on, child. It's there, and I know I have that one last burp that needs to come out. Yeah. Hold on. So what's been up, y'all? Here it comes. Okay. I'm trying to make sure I get all of them out. Anyway, that's it. Tomorrow's Friday, so y'all know what time that is. So tune in tomorrow for another one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.